beautifuls, welcome back. This is Angela and I am so excited today because we're going to do a DIY for our makeup collection, girls, and I'm so excited about that. So I wanted to actually share this with you guys because I just know that there are some of you out there who just love your collections, your makeup collections, and you're just looking for ways to be able to creatively display your makeup. And so I have an idea for you. So today I wanted to show you something very creative. So I just basically took this makeup nail rack, okay? This is really a nail rack, okay? And I'll link this in the description below, so make sure you check out my description box. I just had this epiphany one day, say, oh girl, you know what? You have some beautiful collector's items. Let's go ahead and display it. So that was my thought, and I was like, okay, let's get this together. And at first my thought was I'm going to do nail polishes. I'm just going to put these up as nail polishes and display all of my nail polishes. But then when I got to thinking, I was like, well, you know, I have my favorites. So I was like, well, I'll put my nail polishes on display. I'll put my favorites on display. And then to fill in the rest of the rack for now, I will just put in my makeup collection. And that's how it turned out to be something that's permanent for me. So I just can't wait to jump right into it to show you what we have today, and you guys are going to really love this. So make sure that if you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you can be notified of my content when I upload. Alright, so let's jump into it, ladies. Okay, so I actually wanted to show you guys all of my makeup collection back here. This is actually not all of my makeup collection, this is some of my makeup collection, but these are the ones I really love as well. And so you can see back here we have my Too Faced blushes, okay, that I've collected. And then I have my MAC Marble collection. I have my puppy bronzers here, okay. I have my Gucci bronzer right here. I have my Fenty Kilowatt Foil highlighter here. Okay, this is 7-day weekend poolside, like that. Really pretty, you guys. Alright. Wow, how pretty is that? Okay, that one is Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Those highlighters from Fenty. It's a Candlelight Glow, Too Faced Warm Glow Highlighting Powder Duo. And if I open it up, it looks like that. It really is beautiful, you guys, on the skin. I really love it. That's really pretty. And then I have my nail polishes right here. This is what brought about the idea. Alright, then I have Sweetie Pie here. That's what it looks like. Okay, it's real pretty. I really like these Milani blushes, you guys. We have Milani Coral Cove. We have Tea Rose. We have Blossom Time Rose. Romantic Rose. And I really love these blushes, you guys. Those are nice. And then we have the Fenty Beauty one. Okay, the Island Ting. Okay, that's really nice. I have this really beautiful rose gold packaging by Smashbox. This is actually really beautiful, you guys. When this collection came out, I was like, ooh, petal metal highlighter. Oh my god, yes. I love that. And again, here's all of my polishes. And then you have the Candlelight highlighter. Alright, then we have some Fenty highlighters. And I have my puppy bronzers. Okay, so this one is Diamond Fire. You want to see what that looks like? It looks like this. Okay, and Chocolate Diamond. Seems like a very nice fall color. That's what it looks like. Very beautiful. And then I have all my Fenty powders, setting powders right here. I have more than these, but I wanted to display these. Let's see, I'll go through them. This is my berry one. I love this. Too Faced one. Perfect Flesh Blush. Yep, looks like that. The next one is Perfect Flesh Blush, Peach Beach. And then the next one is Sparkling Bellini. And the next one is Sweet Tea. Looks like that. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. This one is actually a glow bronzer, so I really like that. I will be wearing that a little bit more this fall. And the other one I have here is Candy Glow. It's pretty, isn't it? I love that. Very beautiful color. Maybe I'll swatch these a little later in a different video. Really like these blushes, you guys. And we have Something About Berry. Look at that, you guys. It's gorgeous. So that is my wonderful, beautiful collection that I am going to be storing on the unit today. And I just wanted to give you a glimpse of that. So let's jump right into it. So for some reason, the OPI, sometimes they get little polish specks on them. So I'm just gonna wipe them off with some regular nail polish remover pads. I really like these. They are really good. You just have to be careful. If you're wearing nail polish already, like me, you have to be really careful when you're actually taking it off. But they do a good job of just removing any of the nail polish specks that are on them, so you don't have to really worry too much about that. Voila! So how do you girls like it? So now you girls see why I was so excited to show you, because it is so beautiful. Isn't it so beautiful, you guys? I just love it. So I have all my blushes up top. I have some of my setting powders right here. And then I have some of my highlighters and eyeshadow. I have some of my MAC collection here. And then I have my Too Faced eyelashes right on the edge. I hope you guys saw that. And then I have my bronzers right over here, my puppy bronzers. I love puppies and dogs. And I have my Gucci bronzer right here. And my Fenty Beauty highlighters right here. And I have my Too Faced Candlelight Collector's Item Glow highlighter. Okay. And then I have all of my nail polish here. I just basically put all my favorite nail polishes right here rather than fill the entire wall with nail polishes. Although you can do that if that's what you choose to do. I just love it. It's so beautiful. So if my nail polish collection gets out of control, then I may do another one. But I just absolutely love it. It is my idea. I love it. And then I have the Milani powder blush. I love this right here at the reach of my fingertips, so I'm excited about that. And then I have my bronzers right here from Fenty. I have the cream bronzers here. Okay. And then I have my rose gold petal metal highlighter from Smashbox. Absolutely stunning, girls. Absolutely stunning. Okay. And that is my makeup collection, girls, on a do-it-yourself makeup collection wall unit. Hope you girls love it. I love it. Please feel free to check out my description below. So please make sure that you buy the rack first and then put all of your makeup in it. You're just going to absolutely love this, girls. And I'm so happy to share this with you. Take care. I love you.